I feel superhuman. I can hold up the sun.
One of the things that I benefited from yesterday was once I got home and started thinking and chewing on all that had happened. Yesterday, I realized how powerful I was to control my own life. I hadn't thought about it before. I'd just kind of gone along with things that come up and handled things that come up. And then yesterday, I thought about things that I had planned to do that I didn't want to do. But I felt this compulsion to do it because it was the right thing to do, the good thing to do. And so I was laying in bed last night thinking, all this shit that I don't really want to do, but I feel like I'm supposed to do it. I realized I had the power now to do what I wanted to do and feel good about it.
Yes.
I didn't feel compelled to do anything anymore. I realized I could 7-step. I could 2-step this stuff.
All right, yeah.
I could actually 2-step and be done. So I slept well. It was a very powerful way to wake up. Lonnie and I told her last, I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to go to the gym. I woke up this morning. I said I'm going to go to the gym. And I said, but if I go to the gym, I'm going to be late. Wow, that's not a good idea. I thought, well, what can I use this time? So I watched a couple of videos from Arnoux's website. I started feeling better about the decision I had made. And I walked out of the house in a very energetically powerful place. Very happy with how I had decided and chosen to live my life now. So I feel like I have a new life ahead of me. I feel like now I have at least a tool that I can use to forgive and relieve myself of obligations in life that I don't have any interest in, like what you were sharing this morning. And I feel like now I've gotten the blocks out of the way for things to come into my life that I've always wanted, but that had been handicapping by those programs that I'd been willing to allow to run uninhibited. So now I have the power to change those programs that don't work for me and that I knew didn't work, but I didn't realize they were programs, even with all those other courses. And I'd been a seminar junkie like most of us for many, many years. So I knew all this stuff, but didn't know what to do with it.
Excellent.
Really didn't know. But this weekend, I learned shortcuts, not just what to do, but shortcuts to get it done. And that made me feel powerful again. I'm in control of my life. And I know that as the years go on, I'll be even in more control of it and live a more powerful life. And I wish I had known it earlier. I am so thankful I know it now.